Hi, I'm Rebecca and welcome to the Home Solutions channel. If you're considering a concrete coating or overlay for your pool deck, you want to make sure you find the right one that will meet your needs as far as looks and performance goes. Today, we're going to provide an unbiased and honest comparison of Kool Deck and Penntek's concrete coatings in their cost, performance, design and look, installation, and how long they last. By the end, you'll know more about Kool Deck and Polyurea concrete coatings so you can decide which type of concrete coating is right for your pool. Let's dive in! A pool deck coating may not be the most elaborate home improvement you can make, but it's still a costly project. How much does Kool Deck cost? Kool Deck coatings can cost anywhere from $6 to $12 per square foot. The cost per square foot depends on various factors, such as whether you have existing concrete laid, the condition of your concrete, and design elements. You must also factor in the cost of labor and installation to the price per square foot and your project's total cost. How much does a Penntek coating cost? The average cost of a Penntek concrete coating is $9 to $12 per square foot. This cost also depends on the condition of your concrete, design customizations, project area, and labor and installation. Kool Deck is a cementitious overlay coating. This means it's a type of concrete. So when thinking of the durability of Kool Deck, think of it similarly to how concrete performs. As a product created strictly to combat solar heat, Kool Deck coatings endure all types of weather, such as constant freezing, thawing, heat, cold, and rain. What about chipping or cracking? Well, Kool Deck is made to not chip or crack when installed properly. Because their coatings consist of a mixing process, if the incorrect measurements are used during the mixing process, this will cause problems with the installation and ensure that Kool Deck is not as durable as it should be. Overall, Kool Deck is a durable coating option for your pool deck if you want something to keep you cool while also looking great. Penntek's Polyurea and Polyaspartic concrete coatings are one of the most durable coating options. These coatings are more durable than epoxy, and they are also flexible because polyurea is a polymer. Flexibility in a concrete coating allows it to bounce back and not chip when impacted. Polyurea is also resistant to any scratching or abrasions and does not stain. If you spill anything, all you need is a towel and an all-purpose cleaner to wipe it right up. Penntek coatings are also UV stable, so they will not fade under the sun. This makes them a durable option that will hold up under constant sunlight for your pool deck. So, if you're looking for a pool deck coating that will protect your concrete, add safety, and make your flooring look like granite, Penntek may be the right option for you. Kool Deck can be applied on new and existing concrete. So, if you're just having your pool installed, Kool Deck can be installed at the same time after new concrete is laid. The coating is then brushed across the surface. This is what creates the iconic look of Kool Deck. Then, the surface is slightly smoothed with a small hand paddle to remove any harsh areas that stick out. Kool Deck recommends no contact with the coating until 48 hours, light walking after 3 days, normal walking after 14 days, and heavy furniture may be moved on top 28 days after initial installation. How are Penntek coatings installed? First, the concrete surface must be at the proper moisture and hardness level. Then, it must be ground down using the proper diamond grinder to match the hardness level of the concrete. Once the concrete is properly prepared, the polyurea base layer is spread evenly on the concrete. Penntek coatings using the chip or quartz system will then have a layer of vinyl chips or colored quartz evenly dispersed across the entire surface. After the chips have been evenly distributed and the excess scraped off, the top polyaspartic layer is added. Penntek's polyurea and polyaspartic coatings take 24 hours to fully cure. Typically, you can walk on them 6 to 8 hours after application and move heavy objects onto them after 24 hours. Whether you're looking for a classic and traditional color like sand buff or birch gray, or want to add some color to your pool, Kool Deck has 8 to 12 color options for your decking. Kool Deck also has a stamping option, so you can make your pool deck look like stone or tile if you desire. Penntek's Polyurea and Polyaspartic concrete coatings come in a solid color or with a vinyl chip blend. These color chip blends can come in a variety of colors, such as gray tones and mixtures with blue and red, or you can customize them to any color blend of your choice. Penntek offers extremely customizable concrete coatings to create the exact color or pattern for your pool coating. Kool Deck is a brand under Mortex. Mortex does not warranty any Kool Deck products and deems the responsibility of a warranty on the company that installed it. So if you want to install a Kool Deck coating around your swimming pool, it's crucial you find a company that offers a warranty to back their work and your new coating. Penntek offers a 15-year product warranty that protects against chipping, peeling, separating, or delaminating. They offer a limited lifetime warranty that ensures the coating will not fade or yellow under UV rays. This product warranty covers your pool deck coating, and the company that installs your coating will be responsible for the installation. Choosing which coating is right for you depends on your goals for your pool deck space. If you want a coating that will keep your feet cool during all hours of the day and has more of a classic style for a pool, then a Kool Deck coating may be right for you. If you want to give your backyard space an elevated look with added safety and exceptional durability, then a Penntek concrete coating may be the better option. The biggest difference between these two coatings is their cost and warranties. Kool Deck costs less than Penntek coatings, but does not have a product warranty to ensure it will last. If you're still in the mood for more concrete coating comparisons, check out the video linked above where we compare epoxy and polyurea concrete coatings. Thank you so much for stopping by the Home Solutions channel, where we want you to have the look you love coming home to.